How to create a homepage in Squarespace. So in order to create the homepage, you first need to head over here into your actual dashboard, and from in there, proceed to click onto this website. So typically when you create your site, it already have a homepage. So in this tutorial, I'll just show you how you can actually make another page as your homepage. Once you have clicked on your website, click on the List Pages option. I have in here my homepage and its name as that. Now, for example, I want to create my events page as my homepage. To do that, click on the this here icon. Then from in there, scroll all the way down. In here, you can see the option to set it as a homepage. So click onto this set. You can see right here that my homepage has this home icon. And when I click on this, click on confirm, the home icon should be able to switch over to the events page that we have right here. And this will now be my homepage. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.